How is data sent? An overview of digital communication. Data is made of 0 second and 1 second, which computers use to store and process information. How data works. Computers use binary codes. 0 second and 1 second are changed into signals. Signals can be transmitted through radio waves, light, or electrical. Computers use binary codes, 0 seconds and 1 seconds, which are changed into signals that can be sent through radio waves, light, or electricity. Data pathways using cables via fiber optics using wireless. So, data can move in different ways using cables that carry electric signals, fiber optics that send light signals, or wireless system that use radio waves. These are the main paths for sending information. Example, when you send a message online, your text is changed into 0 and 1 seconds. These 0 and 1 seconds are then turned into signals that can move through cables or Wi-Fi. Finally, the receiver's device converts the signal back into readable text. Conclusion. Data is made up of 0 and 1 seconds, which are changed into signals so they can be sent. The signals move through wires, light, or radio depending on the type of connection. This is the way computers share and exchange information with each other.